Brad, what are you doing?
I've just been waiting to record the next episode.
Okay, well, we're going, so you ready to do it?
Let's go, baby.
Hell yeah. Noah, you good to go?
Yep.
Awesome.
Oh, hi. It's me, Randy McLeod from the Junk Monkeys podcast. I just wanted to say that even though it's been 6 to 7 months, we are finally back this Friday. So I wanted to let everybody know that the podcast will be talking about coming back, being away, all the fun stuff. So yeah, let's get back into it.
Anybody seen Mike anywhere?
I have not. I sent him an invite and he just decided.
Guys! Good.